Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the essentials and placing the foundation. Put a chest down, then face a hopper into it so items funnel correctly. This matters because the detector reads hopper content. Once done, place a comparator behind the hopper to sense when items enter. That comparator outputs a redstone signal proportional to contents. Make sure to set your hopper filter or item count now. Doing this early prevents false positives and keeps the design compact and reliable. Now you build the circuit that converts comparator output into a usable trigger. Connect redstone dust from the comparator to your output device, lamp, piston, or dispenser, and add repeaters to adjust delay so short pulses still activate mechanisms. If you need a sustained signal, attach a simple hopper clock or use a sticky piston latch. This holds the state while items remain. Once wired, test with single items then stacks. Because timing and comparator strength vary with quantity and require. Finish by validating behavior under real conditions. Drop your target item and watch the output. If it fails, check hopper orientation first. It must feed the chest. Then ensure the comparator faces away from the hopper. Make timing tweaks, add or subtract repeater ticks until reliability is achieved. One key troubleshooting tip: if you get constant signal, inspect filters and item counts. Clearing or resetting the hopper filter usually resolves the issue, and then retest to confirm consistent detection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.